What if we've misunderstood how living systems work? We often imagine that coherence requires someone to hold everything together: a leader, a teacher, a parent, an expert, a central point of control. What if nature has been showing us something different all along? A forest doesn't ask one tree to coordinate every other tree. Your body doesn't appoint one cell to supervise the rest. Nature has been functioning this way long before we named it. If no one is in control, what creates coherence? Living systems possess intelligence. They receive from many sources. They organize through countless interactions. They adapt as conditions change. They continue moving, even when one participant rests. If coherence already emerges, what is our role within it? Perhaps it emerges when each part faithfully contributes its own function. Maybe the question isn't, how do I hold everything together? Maybe the question is, what is mine to contribute? What might become possible if we begin participating with living systems instead of trying to control them?